In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto reply in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll have a clear, friendly acknowledgement email automatically going out to anyone who submits a ticket, so they know you've received their request and what to expect next. Start on your Freshdesk dashboard and head straight to Admin. From there, open Workflows, then choose Email Notifications. This is the central place where all system-generated messages are managed. You'll see different categories for who receives what. Since we're setting up the confirmation email for customers, we'll work under Requester Notifications. This section controls messages that go to the person who raised the ticket. Inside Requester Notifications, look for New Ticket Created. This is the auto reply that fires the moment a ticket lands in your help desk. Click it and then select Edit to customize the message. Think of this as your opportunity to set the tone and provide reassurance. Keep it warm, concise, and informative. It helps to include key details so the requester can reference their issue later. You can use placeholders to pull in dynamic information automatically. For example, adding the placeholder /ticket ID will insert the actual ticket number into each message. You can also reference other ticket fields like the subject or description to make the email feel more personalized without manual work. In your message, consider briefly explaining that their request has been received, sharing the ticket number, and outlining typical response times or business hours. A short thank you and a note about what they can do next, like replying to the same email to add more details, can reduce follow-up questions. Keep the language clear, avoid jargon, and do not include any sensitive information. If you work with different teams or priorities, you can add a simple sentence about how tickets are routed or handled, but keep it high level. Once your wording looks good, make sure the notification is actually enabled. In the New Ticket Created section, confirm the toggle is turned on. This switch is what tells Freshdesk to send your auto reply every time a new ticket is created. If it's off, your carefully crafted message won't go out. That's it. You've navigated to Admin, opened Workflows and Email Notifications, focused on Requester Notifications, customized the new ticket created message using helpful placeholders like /ticket.id, and ensured the toggle is on. With that in place, your customers will get timely, helpful confirmations the moment they contact you.